And when you first get this machine and power on, it will show this word, the network timeout. So the first thing we need to do is connect the Wi-Fi. And we want to connect Wi-Fi, we need to go into the device background. And because the network timeout, so we need default password to get into the device background. So I will tell you how to know the default password. Okay, you can see the device ID. The default password is the last 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, these 6 digits. 6 digits and add A6. Yeah, I will show you. Yeah, long press here. Yeah, it will show this page. Yeah, we put the password. You can see the default password is 2040. Yeah, you can see here 6A with 3, 6 and A6 and confirm. Yeah, we can go to the device background and we slip right. Go to the second page. You can see the system setting. Yeah, we need to connect the Wi-Fi. Okay, connect the Wi-Fi. Off. Okay, connect the Wi-Fi and wait and connect the Wi-Fi. You can see the connected. Okay, this which means the password connect the Wi-Fi. You can see when the Wi-Fi connected, it will show good or show something. It wouldn't show network timeout. Okay, this